tak jing dan jing so khia halor ka jing kiu dor ki mar ki mata ka bolong ka mat ka babon na preng ki pai ba Nongshong Shnong ki ut ki nam wei na ki nong mi khmat ka yung darbar thau an ka jela uban na kalyang persa ul pen sngoh lor ka ni ka jing e ka ba ki pai ba ki ni kendo ha ka ni ka Khristmas panwan na kalyang ni nong mi khmat ubade MLA ka gambe gre na ka seng congress usalang e sang ma uloong baka jing ut jing nam ki pai ba ka long na ka por hadu baka na poi ru shadu ka jing khi ha ka ba ki riu pai ba bat kum ju ru ki kan hon sang balang ba pher kin mi shakman ban pen sngoh ya ki ni ki jing e ki ba ki shem usalang e sang ma ka jan miet jong ka khatwai tari uno pra arja arpulai baka office ulam phang jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka panlong ka Christmas party haba kran ki lat pathai ko bor loong makat ba ki pai ba ki pen sngoy ki jing e namar ka jing ki udor ki mar ki mata ki dan pat ki wei ki ban sa Shong dum namar ka jing bom dan Pisa jong ki ban siu ya ka bai boarding.
When the price of every commodities goes up, those are the same people who will complain first. When the commodity of like the commodity like gas, rice, even the vegetables, when petroleums and all, when these things will goes up, then the public started complaining. When the power, now for example, the power also per unit it has increased 2 rupees. Now I think it's almost 6 rupees. I think so by now. So when people, not only from the Garo Hills, all over the state, will started complaining about the high price rise, and then some of the villages they might not have the current in this Christmas itself. Though we are celebrating Christmas today, but I'm telling you, in the real time, some of the villages will not have the power to celebrate the Christmas because they can't pay the bill. You see, these are the reality.